It's terrific to see really smart women doing excellent research. Speaking of having confidence, knowing that they do have a future, it's very exciting. I think it's terrific, and it's certainly a big change from when I was an undergraduate and a graduate student. I was usually the only one in a class, and it's great to see that more than 50% of many of the classes, including medical schools, are now women. Fundamentally, it's really important to have 51% of the population engaged in all endeavors. So there are very powerful reasons to make sure that diversity of all kinds is brought into every part of society. This is not my first visit to San Diego State University, and I'm delighted to see the expansion, the inclusion, just walking across campus, it's like being at the United Nations. It's terrific. And the students are all interacting in a very positive way. I think that is a good model, I think, for not just the state, but for the entire country. How people can work together, how students can have an opportunity. And I think that's something that really is very critical to mention, and that is that San Diego State University provides all students, regardless of wealth or lack of wealth, regardless of their nationality, their national background, their racial history, an opportunity to excel. That, I think, is what America is all about.